Did you know, guys, there's a small islet in Shiko called Tai Tao Chao? Just 10 minutes walk from Shiko, and then at least 2 hours to explore the islet.
Our hearts beat to the city street.
This is how you get to Tai Tao Chao and Shiko Lovers Bridge. From Shukiwan, take the minibus going to Shiko, or bus number 9, but I rather suggest take the minibus because it's very fast. Ayun na, yung glimpse ng Shiko Beach. Ang ganda niya, ang puti-puti ng sand. Get off at the Shiko Beach and then you will see this wall painting. The mural painting is just follow this way, going to Shiko Village.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Alright, dumating na tayo, guys. Yan, nakikita nyo na yung blue na bridge, Shiko Lovers Bridge. Alam nyo ba kung bakit tinatawag itong Lovers Bridge? Kasi nga, dalawang katao lang pwedeng magkasabay na maglakad sa bridge. Kasi, ang liit niya lang. Makikita nyo yan mamaya.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So, ayan na nga, guys, yung Shiko Lovers Bridge. Tingnan nyo naman. Dalawang katao lang nga pwedeng maglakad side by side. Kaya, tinatawag na Shiko Lovers Bridge. Ano nyo lang, ang cute. After natin tawirin ang Shiko Lovers Bridge, diretso na tayo sa hiking. Actually, hindi naman ito hike. It's just a walk. Kasi very, very short lang siya. Around 1 hour nga yata, tapos na. Kung mabilis lang. Basta hindi ka lang magtambay dun sa taas ng pavilion. Ayan, guys, after ng unang pavement, hindi mo alam left or right. Same way lang yan, guys. Pumili ka lang ng isa, left or right. Magkikita at makikita kayo sa gitna at dadalhin kayo doon sa pavilion. Kaya don't worry kung saan man kayong maglakad dyan. Ayan na nga. Kasi mas gusto kong maglakad sa gilid ng trail. So, ayan. Nagpagilid ako. Kasi maganda ang view sa gilid. Tingnan nyo. At saka madaming mga rock formation dyan. Hanapin nyo lang. Wala nga lang kasi akong time ngayon. Maghanap kasi nga may pupuntahan pa ako after. Naghihintay na yung mga friendship ko doon. Kaya minadali ko lang itong hike na to. For sure, babalik ako dito para mag-explore more ng mga rock formations. Ayan na nga guys, super init dyan kasi walang kang tataguan. Kaya ayan, bukas ng payong ko. Diretso lang yung akyat at tumingin-tingin ka lang sa mga bato-bato sa taas, sa gilid. Mamamangha ka sa mga formation nila. Ayan guys, magugulat ka na lang. Naka-orange jacket na ako kasi nga ang init-init. Ayan, nakikita niyo lang background ko yan. Check on na yan. Check on na yan guys. At saka yung beach na dyan banda. Diyan din ako nag-start ng hike. Ayan ang aerial view ng Taytay-Chao.
This is nice. Pwedeng mag-barbecue. May barbecue pit. May upuan. And the view. Kaso lang super init naman. Sino mag-barbecue yung bilad sa araw? Ang init na nga. Pag winter, okay lang.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.